Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create your WhatsApp link to share with your friends or family members. So if you want to share your WhatsApp with someone, so when he or she taps on it, it'll basically direct them into WhatsApp. Then let me show you how to do this. So here we'll use the notes and we'll create a new note. So to begin off, we'll go ahead and type in http:// and then we'll type in wa.app/ again. And now from here, you can go ahead and type in your mobile number. So this mobile number will be the one that is linked to your WhatsApp account. When you type in the mobile number, don't forget to add the country code. So I'm from UK, so I'll go ahead and type in 00447862468984 and then tap on done. Now this will basically turn into a link. So you can go ahead and copy this and share it with anyone you like. When that person gets your WhatsApp link like this, they can just go ahead and tap on this. This will basically take them to WhatsApp and it'll ask them if they want to add or chat with this person. So there you go guys. That is how to create your WhatsApp link to share with your friends and family members. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.